Welcome to B.moss. We've been a trusted partner of pharmaceutical companies and their communication agencies for over 20 years. Our patented interactive marketing tools are designed to reach and engage healthcare professionals. Why using print when everything is digital? Our products stand out in the crowded digital space. They are creative, tactile, and they improve the likelihood that your brand will be remembered. Plus, they don't require a lot of attention and can be used as a reference in the future. Our products are multifunctional and can be used for various purposes, including interactive convention displays, handouts, catalogs, flyers, promotional mailings, informational brochures, training guides, presentation handouts, dosage guides during product launches, promotions, and marketing packaging. We're not a marketing agency or a printer. We're specialists in this sophisticated dimensional print production for marketing. We create and produce for communication agencies and printers alike. Get inspired more by our dozens of ideas at our website, or let us know what you have in mind, and we'll provide custom suggestions. Our products comply with the MHRA guidelines, and they present your product and messages in a fun and memorable way. Our tools, combined with your messaging and creativity, will help you differentiate your product from the competition. Our print marketing tools are calming and accessible, and they make your messages memorable in a way that digital tools can't. And when used for direct mailings, B.moss products support sales representatives by reminding the prescribers of the wow factor. Furthermore, at B.moss, we are committed to using only FSC-certified paper. This means that our printed marketing production is not only impactful and memorable, but also environmentally friendly. Here are a few more ideas that can inspire you, and you can also request samples that we will send to your address. Additionally, our website has hundreds of examples that you can browse